rock, porous soil, heavy rain, and steep terrain make the Salton Gorge in northern Washington prime real estate for landslide disasters. But a landslide disaster was not what Andrew Oberhart, Chris Josie, and friends were planning on videotaping when they set out to kayak on December 11, 2004. The chunky debris from the landslide created a dam about 20 feet high, separating the kayak party into two. And rocks were continuing to fall, creating a potentially terrifying gauntlet for the kayakers further upriver.
Anything like that hits you, you're in a bad way.
The river was also littered with broken trees and other debris that would tear an oncoming boat or kayak to shreds.
Hey, that's not good.
The noise from the rapids was deafening and made warning those who remained upstream nearly impossible.
We have a lot of hand signals that we use for line of sight communications in a gorge because the river's a really high noise environment. And because as a boater, your perspective is always from water level, anything where it goes over the horizon line, you can't see it until it's too late. Once they got the signal, and I think all my waving, you want to go out of this canyon, don't go there, this will kill you. After all that, I think they actually got the message when they saw another shower of rocks come down.
Heeding that warning, the kayakers scaled the rocks above. Chris, Andrew, and friends also climbed up the canyon walls to avoid the potential burst of water.
What are we doing here, Justin?
Check it out, it's pretty scary, man.
Below, the landslide dam began to erode. Fortunately, the rising water pushed its way through the rocks and debris without a sudden burst, and a catastrophic flood was avoided. Andrew, Chris, and friends beat the odds and managed to escape with their lives intact.